What's up, family? My name is Angela. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Walk This Way Productions, also known as WTWP. So I decided to tailor my summer runway program to full-figure girls. And I've caused a huge stir on social media. I'm getting all kinds of inquiries. The high-fashion mainstream girls are asking if I'm no longer working with them. Of course I am. I tailor my program for full-figure girls this summer just because I have a passion for working with full-figure models. One of the questions I get is, how often do I hold castings for full-figure models? The answer is, every time I hold a casting, full-figure models are welcome. Full-figure models and the correct term to use when describing them. I use them all interchangeably: plus size, curvy, curve, and full figure. I've worked with full-figure models for over 20 years, and I've never had a model offended by a term that I use. The industry created these terms. If you like what you hear and you want to hear more, be sure to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel.